Hello everyone, and welcome to the Weekly Tech Minute. First up, how is your company planning to use the metaverse? No, really. Brands like Chipotle, Verizon, and Vans have already built their own areas on metaverse-like platforms such as Roblox and Fortnite Creative, trying to expand their brand recognition and get existing customers more engaged, according to Alexander Bruhl of the Wall Street Journal. Since Facebook, or Meta, announced a $10 billion, that's with a B, investment in this space, it might be time to seriously consider how your company will navigate this new virtual era and contemplate cybersecurity implications of such moves. You can read more via the link below. Next, according to Ray Schultz of Digital News Daily, IKEA has been hit by a cyber attack using reply chain emails. What is a reply chain attack? Well, it can come via email from someone that you work with, from any external organization, or as a reply to an already ongoing conversation. Unsuspecting victims then click on malicious links in the email, leading to documents that install malware. Another source, Bleeping Computer, notes that employees tend to be more trusting of emails sent from internal compromised servers and existing email chains. Now, IKEA has not confirmed the story, but you can get more information via the link below. Finally, if you're trying to shop local this holiday season, according to Aaron Schilling of Atlanta Inno, the Atlanta technology ecosystem has no shortage of interesting gift ideas for your friends and family. If you have loved ones or colleagues that you still need to shop for and want to support Atlanta tech entrepreneurs, you must check out the link below. You'll find some really great, unique ideas there. That's all for this week's edition of the Weekly Tech Minute. Thank you so much for watching week after week. For your comments, likes, DMs, and all of the above, and we will see you next week.